history moves forward in the alternation of time series. Dreams come true through hard work and progress. Jiangsu Baoxiang Intelligent Technology Company Limited is an automation equipment manufacturer for logistics and warehousing integrator, which provide technical support for system solution and quotation. Intelligent manufacturing. Baoxiang Technology. Baoxiang Technology is a national high-technology enterprise in Jiangsu, China, which is a leading manufacturer, such as wheel sorter, modular diverter, cross-belt sorter, narrow belt sorter, conveyor, parcel singulator, telescopic belt conveyor, elevator, and other customized sorting solutions. Baoxiang Technology have about 502 staffs, in which there are over 100 engineers dedicated to R&D, technical support, and after-sales service. We have 2 factories, which covers around 100,000 square meters. Own standardization, large-scale, fully automated production line, from material cutting, bending, general punching, drilling, robot welding, polishing, painting, electrostatic powder spraying, Longmen CNC processing. For 14 years, we have had a solid technological foundation, but we always insist on continuous innovation, striving for excellence. The purpose of constantly surpassing technological research and development. To maintain the leading level in the industry, we always prioritize customer needs, committed to becoming outstanding in the industry, leading benchmark enterprise. Achieve the development of automation, intelligence, and digitization, building a century-old brand